Hello everyone, this is lecture 19 of chapter 1 class 8 computer networking. In previous lecture we had studied about types of networks. Now in this lecture I am going to tell you that how data is transmitted from one node to another node. But at first we need to understand data communication. Data communication is the process of sending on and receiving or exchanging data between 2 points. There are three main components of a data communication: sender, who sends data; receiver, who receives data; and third, medium or media through which data is transmitted from one node to another node. There can be two types of media, wired or wireless. If we are using wired, we can use twisted pair cable, coaxial cable and fiber optic. It depends on the distance. And second one, wireless. In wireless we can use infrared or microwave. Infrared supports very few meters, only meters, not kilometer, and microwave can be used for long distances through the radio signals or radio waves. Now here, this is the sender, medium and receiver. When we transfer data or when we want to transfer data from sender to receiver, then at first data is broken into smaller units. These smaller units are called packets. Like this is the single data, and this single data is divided into smaller units, and these smaller units are called packets. So before sending the data, at first data is broken into packets and then it is transmitted through the medium. At the sender side, data is broken into packets, but at the receiver side it is assembled as a single data. Each packet has address of sender and receiver. Address means the unique information through which it is identified by the sender, it is identified by the packet to which computer they have to go.